video, I'm going to show you how you can install the latest and the major Windows 10 feature update for this year released by Microsoft in May 2021. I will install this Windows 10 May 2021 update, also called 21H1 update, and once the update install is done, we'll go over some of the cool new feature which is released as a part of this update. Major Windows feature updates are now on semi-annual cadence. Since this is released in the first half of the year, that's why it's called 21H1. The second one will be typically released in the second half of the year. If you want to manage and schedule Windows Update in a way that it doesn't start installing at an inconvenient time and during your busy work schedule, then don't forget to check out my Manage Windows Update video. I have included the link in the details section below. For full disclosure, I am Gargi and I work for Microsoft as a program manager. Let's get started. To start installing Windows 10 May 2021 feature update, go to the search box here and start typing Windows Update and click on Windows Update Settings to open the Windows Update setting page. Windows 10 21H1 feature update is being rolled out slowly, so if your machine is compatible and is already targeted for the rollout, you will see the feature update section right here below the regular updates, and here you can see a link which says download and install. Since this is not part of your regular update, you see it in a separate section and you have an option to install right away, or you can wait when you're comfortable to install. If you don't see the feature update in this update settings page and you want to download the update, there is another way to do that, which is basically you can go to the Microsoft support page. I have included the link in the details section below, and you can download the enablement package and run it. For this video, I'm going to download and install this update from the Windows Update settings page, and once done and reboot is also done, I'm going to talk about some of the new features in this update. Make sure you save all your files before you start the update process. Let's download and start installing. As you can see, the feature update install is now done and is pending restart. So I'm going to restart my computer to finish the update process. Now if you do WinVer, you will see that the latest version is 21H1. To see the news and interest widget on the taskbar, you have to install another optional update, which is KB5003214. I'm going to download and install this widget so I can show you this cool new news widget. Now let's go through the top 5 new features in this update. Feature number 1. Windows Hello now has multi-camera support. What it means is that if you have an external camera connected to your Windows PC, you can use that camera as a default camera to sign in using your face. Also check out my video on how to set up Windows Hello Face, or how you can use your face to log in into Windows. I have included the link in the details section below. Feature number 2. The default browser on Windows 10 after this update is Chromium powered Microsoft Edge, which is built on Chromium open source and gets all the goodness of Microsoft security. It also supports Internet Explorer based legacy apps and sites, and all while staying within Microsoft Edge. New feature number 3. News and interest widget on the taskbar. This is my favorite one, and on the right side of your taskbar you will see this widget, which gives you a quick access to your local weather and traffic, and also some trending news, sports, stocks. It's very customizable and comes with vibrant and colorful design. And I see my local weather on the taskbar, and it's raining and 48 degrees. Yikes! If I hover and click over the weather icon here, I see the news and interest widget pop up. In this news and interest widget, I can see top stories, weather, money, and sports cards, or scroll down to see more personalized news, or click on see more news to land on the full immersive experience of Microsoft News. There are several performance improvements and bug fixes in this feature update. I'm not going to go through all of them, but the top 2 are performance enhancement for Windows Management Instrumentation WMI Group Policy Service, and also Windows Defender Application Guard has performance improvements. The other bug fixes and lists are included in a link in the details section below. Let me know which of these new features you like the most in the comments below, And if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching.